D7add9. Claw your hand, twist until your thumb is on top. Approach the guitar neck from behind like this so that your hand is in the perfect position to play guitar chords. Now you've a great chance to get your chord changes faster, not just learn the chord. From here, maintaining your triangle, can you add your first finger tip onto the second string first fret? And add your second finger tip onto the third string second fret. That's it, just two. D7 you would have the third finger on, but to add 9 it's actually, even though the name is longer, it's easier to play. Once your thumb is muting the 6th string, you can strum all 6 strings. But if your hand is too small to thumb it, to mute it, you will have to strum the bottom 4 or 5. You don't want the 6th string to cloud it. But this is the great advantage of keeping your thumb over the top.